Creating a quiz in SurveyMonkey is an excellent way to engage your audience and test their knowledge. Here's how to do it. Log into SurveyMonkey. Go to SurveyMonkey's website and log in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Start a new survey. Click Create Survey on the dashboard. You can either start from scratch or use a template if you find one that suits your quiz needs. Choose the quiz format. If starting from scratch, select the title for your quiz. Then choose multiple choice or other question types suitable for quizzes, such as true or false or rating scale. Add questions. Begin adding your quiz questions. For each question, provide the answer options. To designate the correct answer, go to the options menu for each question and select Make this quiz a question, then indicate the correct answer. Assign points. You can assign points to each question under the scoring option. This helps in calculating the total score at the end of the quiz. Apply logic. If you want to guide users to different questions based on their answers, use skip logic. This can make the quiz more interactive and tailored. Customize the quiz experience. Add a custom message that users will see after they finish the quiz, which can include their score or a summary of their performance. Preview and test. Preview the quiz to ensure everything works as expected. Make sure the questions, scoring, and logic are correct. Publish and share. Once satisfied, save and publish your quiz. Share it via a link, email, social media, or embed it on your website.